Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In the previous video we showed how to lock the screen by long press. In today's video we will show you how to lock iPhone with double tap without jailbreak or any software. So let's start the video. What we have to do, first go to settings, scroll down, find accessibility, tap on accessibility. Tap touch. Now tap assistive touch. Tap on double tap. Then scroll down and we have to select lock screen. Now double tap on the accessory patch and your phone will be locked. That's it. This was today's video. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and also subscribe Apple Info channel. Thanks for watching.